In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can repair shields here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to repair shields here in Arc Raiders, what you're going to want to do first is obviously get on the lobby. This can't actually be done in game unless you do have a specific perk that does allow it. But essentially, come in the lobby and open up your inventory. And once you are on your inventory, go ahead and find whatever shield you want to go ahead and repair. For example, let's go ahead and say I want to do this light shield right here. Essentially, hover over it, and then if you are on consoles, go ahead and either hit, like Y or triangle, depending on which console you're on, or if you're on PC like I am right now, just right click it and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select the repair option, and you're going to see the required materials. For example, this shield right here does require 4 plastic parts. Essentially, go ahead and just select repair. If you don't have these resources, you can hit track resources. It makes it a little bit easier, but the shield, essentially, as soon as you hit repair, is going to be restored back to 100 out of 100 durability. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can repair your shields here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.